video, I'll be introducing you to your first basic Python challenge. Now, you can skip this challenge if you want, but I strongly recommend that you go through all the learning process by taking up this challenge. Now, in this challenge, the program is supposed to ask you for your first name. So I'll enter my first name, and it will now ask you for your second name. I'll do that. Now it will ask you for your age. I'm 99 years old, and the program will say, hey Rudolph, you will be 109 in the next 10 years. Now it says goodbye or say. Now note that the goodbye goes with our second name over here, but not the first name. And hey, you will be 109 in the next 10 years goes with our first name over here. Now after that, the program goes ahead and prints all the data types we entered into our program. So it says Rudolph is a string, or say it's also a string, and 99 is an integer. Now what you have to do is to use the printf method to print this first one, and use the concatenation method in printing the second one. Good luck and have a wonderful day.